Welcome back, folks. Having myself a little coffee in my kitchen without my countertops, but it's come a long way. Cabinets are up, refrigerator's in place, floor is in. I put a panel, toe board panel in front of everything to cover the seams where the cabinets meet, and then I glued a trim. Did a 45 cut right there. I glued all the trim. I put a temporary sink in there. Of course, you might have seen that in the other video. So I did that as well over here on this side. I got this thing in the way. Then I'm gonna get out of here still. So you see there, I did that. This is where the dishwasher is gonna go. So I got the temporary sink, and then this corner, the way it came out there, yep. The inserts, because this whole design was based on another cabinet maker, and Lilyanncabinets. He based that design off of that, which threw everything out of whack. So what I got was for the other design. It's a disaster, so I did what I could to make this happen. Did what I could, and actually I've had some compliments. They said they came out really good. I ordered, I got the stove in place. Fit perfect. I'm gonna be buying a new stove to match the fridge. And there's the other cabinet here that was supposed to get an insert spice rack. Said they were gonna send it. Yeah, okay. Oh, got some snacks here I dropped. So I still have to order the cabinet for this corner here. There's two cabinets. This is coming out because this is not supposed to be here. It doesn't work right. So I still gotta order those and get those in. And I got the two. The one that goes above the stove where the microwave is gonna go, and one on the side here. So that's all set. Just ordering that. When that comes in, I'll finish that. And now it's doing the countertops and get the backsplash and see which she's gonna want to use. But I also have this window here that I gotta add the wood to. I'm gonna trim this. I'm gonna add the wood so it's like the rest of the windows in the house. So finally got it functional. Got this temporary sink, stove's working, everything's good. So it is getting there. Got my coffee here. I put this plywood here so we can use the oven here, the air fryer, which works great for making food real quick. And yeah, I got my coffee machine. Got a little spot to put the clean dishes. So yeah, it's getting there. So stay tuned for the next pot. Hopefully with the countertops and the backsplash, this thing will look really good. And I still got quite a bit of adjustments to make too with these doors. A little off here, over there, it's off. So I don't know how I'm gonna adjust that. This one's like low, way too low. I gotta raise it up somehow. There's that defect. I don't know. Anyways, came out pretty good. As you see, there's no panels on the side. Got this up here. Guess that'll be my spot for my snacks because I'm the only one in the house who can reach it. So yeah, got a spot to put some canned items now and cereal. Everything's at least out of sight, so it looks nice and clean. And yeah, the floor was a little tricky and some to get it started because how I ripped it up with these laminate floors. Yeah, did okay. I did all the cuts by hand. I didn't use a table saw because of the different cuts aren't perfectly square on some of these edges here. And yeah, a little tricky, but I got it done. Played carpenter and got it done. I'm happy with the results. I don't know, better way of how it would have came out. But because of this company not making 6-inch cabinets and how I had to custom build these out of spice rack inserts, now I gotta figure out how to fill this in. I'm thinking of using that type of trim and put it in there, as well as the one on the other side over here. I gotta get this thing out of there. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. It's one of the other things I gotta somehow figure out because of how this kitchen design turned out. But yeah, time to get back to work. I'm gonna go get in the leather shop. Got a couple of videos to edit for YouTube and keep it moving.